Imagine being able to craft an attractive sales funnel like the one shown here in merely 10 minutes. What's even more astonishing is the ability to construct the sales funnel at no cost. Indeed, you heard correctly, a plan that's 100% free. Permanently free, with absolutely no strings attached. To join me in this guide, simply click the link in the description below to access System.io. You'll arrive at a page resembling this. Just submit your email to secure my complimentary account. Throughout this guide, we'll employ System.io for designing sales funnels. After securing your free System.io account, you'll access a dashboard akin to this. It's crucial to select Sales Funnels from the top. Then hit the plus icon to initiate a new sales funnel. Here, assign a name to your sales funnel. Mine will be YouTube Hackers, and then pick your funnel's objective. Any can be selected, but for today's guide, I'll opt for the Sell objective, aimed at peddling a product or service. You may also designate a default currency for your course. Mine will remain in US dollars. Proceed to save. Your funnel now appears in your active funnels. Clicking on it, you reach the stage to outline your funnel's pages. A standard sales funnel includes an opt-in page for gathering prospect emails, a thank you page as a gesture of appreciation for opting in, a sales page for product promotion, and emails directed at prospects to lead them to the sales page. Sales funnels vary, and should you wish to develop a different variant, System.io accommodates that too. Initially, let's introduce an opt-in page, naming this phase Opt-in Page. For its category, we select Opt-in Squeeze Page. Within the selection menu, it's clear the variety of pages System.io enables creation of: thank you pages, inline forms, pop-up forms, various sales pages, webinar pages, among others. Our choice will be Squeeze Page, followed by a save action. Next, we elevate our opt-in page to the funnel's pinnacle, deciding on the template to adorn our opt-in page with. Numerous templates are available. I've chosen this particular one, but feel free to select any that appeals to you. You're able to view the template here. It appears satisfactory to me. Thus, I'll proceed by hitting Select, assigning it a name and a URL path. Then click Edit Page to begin customizing our opt-in page. I plan to tweak it slightly, starting with removing the top section. The process is intuitive. Just click to edit. I'll click on the area to highlight the entire section before clicking Delete. Next, I'll update the headline. Should my course focus on boosting confidence, I'll present a complimentary report, How to Become More Confident in 7 Days, as the opt-in incentive. On the right side, I'll mention instant access below, followed by input fields for name and email. The customization can be as intricate or elegant as desired, thanks to System.io's vast selection of elements that can be cloned, moved, and modified to your liking. I aim to maintain a straightforward opt-in page, opting to remove unnecessary elements. Let's go ahead and remove this item, and then eliminate those on this side. After clicking Delete, I'll also remove another element. Presently, we're left with an unnecessary empty row, so we'll proceed to click on it and eliminate it as well. Furthermore, any additional sections below that are no longer required can be removed. Simply click on each and select Delete. Now, our opt-in page is refreshingly tidy and to my satisfaction. Hence, I'll choose Save Changes. There's also the option to preview it by clicking the Preview button. You'll get a glimpse of its appearance once it goes live online. To exit the editor, use this button here, marking the completion of our sales funnel's initial page. Following that, we're introducing a sales page. So let's hit this button to insert a new step. With the opt-in page completed, it's time to add a thank you page. For this, we'll click the Add Step button. I'll name it Opt-in Thank You Page, and for the type, we'll select Opt-in Thank You Page. Then click Save. We'll pick out a template next. It belongs to the same set of templates we've recently utilized, making it logical to apply it here too. Proceed by clicking Select, assigning it a name and a URL, and then hit the Edit button. This page will be viewed by our customers after they've requested the free report, allowing us to tailor it accordingly. We could state, your report is on its way. We should eliminate the unnecessary top header. We plan to email the report to the customer, which we'll indicate in the subsequent text. Thus, I've stated, within the next 2 or 3 minutes, you'll receive an email containing your report in your inbox. The text appears somewhat small, so let's enlarge the font size. Navigate to the left side. where you'll find a slider to adjust the font size up slightly for better visibility, like so. Adhering to best practices, securing the customer on the thank you page presents an excellent chance to prompt an immediate sale. Therefore, let's incorporate a call to action, nudging the customer to visit our product's sales page without delay. We'll replicate this headline and reposition it downward using the control gear. Next, we'll modify this headline to appeal to the customer's curiosity about our sales page instantly. Consider phrasing it as, "Want to know how to instantly impress others?" Additionally, we'll adjust this text color to align. To do this, select the text, hit the color control, and input the color code into this field. With the color code entered, we achieve a consistent color scheme. Following that, we'll place a button beneath this headline by duplicating this existing button, moving it up, and positioning it right below. To finalize, let's align this centrally by clicking the Center Alignment control. Now let's enhance the font size to make it more prominent, similar to this approach. We'll also augment the line height for added clarity and update the button's text. On the left, it currently reads "See All Projects," but we'll change it to "Yes, Show Me How," encouraging users to engage with the button. Next, we'll remove any unwanted elements by selecting the section and choosing Delete. Proceed to confirm and eliminate similar sections. With that, our thank you page is set, so we'll click Save Changes. A preview option is available to check its appearance. It seems satisfactory to me, and we can now exit to proceed with the subsequent funnel pages. We should position the opt-in thank you page right after the squeeze page, as it's the next step logically. Now it's time to craft our sales page. Returning to the funnel interface, we click Add Step to introduce a sales page. Name it Sales Page. Select Sales Page for the type and then Save. Again, we have the liberty to select a template for our use. If you're uncertain about the design of your funnel or crafting a sales page, seeking inspiration from comparable courses is advisable. Explore any YouTube channel or brands offering a similar product. I'll reference the Charisma on Command YouTube channel, which has a course link, Charisma University, possibly akin to my intended course. By examining their page layout and copy, I can discern what effectively engages their audience. Their sales page is notably straightforward and clean, offering valuable insight into proven strategies that I could adapt for my own page. Thus, we should opt for a sales page template that mirrors this successful example, facilitating the emulation of its style and essence. Browse through the templates, using the Preview Template option to gauge its suitability and potential impact for your purposes. The chosen template perfectly aligns with our needs, featuring a straightforward, neat design, inclusive of headlines, a video, buttons, and purely textual elements. It showcases sections highlighted in various colors, similar to what we're seeking, especially noted towards the template's end, allowing for easy replication of this aesthetic. Therefore, we'll proceed with this template by selecting it. Like earlier steps, we'll assign it a name and a URL, then move to edit the page. Now you have the opportunity to adapt the sales page copy to your preference. While I'll cover some basic aspects, I won't delve into the full creation process here. We can start with a compelling headline, for instance, "How I Started Commanding Instant Respect Despite Being a Shy, Quiet Guy." Below, a subheadline can be added, along with a sales video positioned just beneath, for text elements requiring adjusted spacing to match a specific style. These modifications can be made via the Properties section on the left. Here we have a feature labeled Line Height, so adjust it until you achieve the desired spacing, perhaps akin to this example. Now let's incorporate a few paragraphs of customized copy. I've rephrased some content, ready to be inserted here. With that action, the upper segment of our sales page is prepared. You may proceed in this manner to assemble the entirety of your sales page. However, for the moment, let's opt to save changes and proceed to preview our work to gauge its appearance. I'm of the opinion that it's shaping up quite impressively. Presented here is the copy, the engaging headline, and the space for a sales video to be added upon availability, alongside the purchase button. Now it's time to reposition our sales page, placing it subsequent to the opt-in and thank you pages, thereby finalizing our sales page setup. Your course should reside on a platform, such as Teachable. After finalizing your course setup, you'll be provided with a Teachable sales page URL. This URL can be linked directly to this purchase button. Simply click on the button, select the action for When Button Clicked to open a URL, and input the URL there. On a different note, it may come as a surprise, But hosting your course on System.io is also an option. Navigate to Products, then to Courses to access it, where you can initiate the creation of your course within your System.io account. Remarkably, this feature is offered at no cost, $0 monthly, without any hidden terms, allowing your entire course, albeit a single course, to be hosted on System.io for free. By clicking on the button to add a new course and following the provided steps to organize your course, record the materials, and ultimately host it on System.io, you can link your course's URL to this purchase button. This integration ensures your entire sales funnel operates seamlessly within System.io. Concluding your funnel involves setting up emails. From the System.io dashboard top menu, navigate to Emails, then proceed to Campaigns. Within this section, each campaign can encompass several follow-up emails, enabling you to craft a new campaign tailored to your course, named Grow Your Confidence. After saving, enter the campaign to start adding emails. Begin by composing your initial email, where you'll specify its subject line, such as, "Thanks, here is your report," fulfilling the promise to deliver the report to your customer. Input your name as the sender and provide your email address. Following a save, you're directed to a page for drafting the content of your first email. Here, you can write a draft email and include a link to the report. Simply select the text meant for the link, click Link, and input the URL where the report is located. With these steps, your introductory email is set to be dispatched. Finalize by clicking Save and Publish. Selection of these settings is required, indicating choose after which email to add this one. As it stands, there are no preceding emails. Set the delay for sending emails to immediate dispatch, 0 days, 0 hours, and 0 minutes. Proceed to click Activate. This action ensures the email dispatches promptly upon a user's opt-in on our page. Subsequent emails aimed at promoting our course can be crafted by selecting Create. Utilize ChatGPT for generating email subjects with a prompt akin to the provided example. Upon entering, ChatGPT offers potential subjects like Become Unstoppable with our confidence building program. This suggestion can be adopted as the subject. Save this choice. For drafting the email's content, you have the option to compose it personally or solicit ChatGPT with a directive to write me a promotional email selling this course, followed by submission. Our email has now been composed. Proceed to copy the entire email, then paste it into the email editor provided. With the email ready, we can proceed to embed our link here. Highlight the relevant section and make it bold, indicating where the sales page link will be inserted. Return to your funnel, locate the sales page, and copy its URL. Then, highlight the targeted text and insert the link accordingly. Following this, click Save and Publish. You'll need to specify the sequence details next. This email should follow "Thanks, here is your report," scheduled to dispatch 1 day subsequent to the initial email. After activating, exit the editor, and your sales funnel setup is complete. To further promote your course, simply continue to augment this series with additional emails as needed. You've now mastered setting up a sales funnel, a task that requires merely 10 to 15 minutes with this guide. If you found this guide beneficial, kindly drop "useful" in the comments section below. I look forward to our next video encounter. If you like this content, I suggest you to watch my last video called How to Make Money on YouTube Without Making Videos, a guide for new channels. See you there.